Hey folks, Greg Rice here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And right now I want to talk to you about the best way for you to handle tenant versus tenant drama. And what I mean is this: with a multifamily building, you're bound to deal with some type of tenant altercation. And it makes sense because you're dealing with multiple walks of life, multiple personalities, all under one shared roof with limited space too. So what you need to consider is that there's no upside. There's extremely little benefit to you getting involved and taking a side. So the answer for you here is to stay removed when all possible. There's very, very, very little chance that you interjecting between a tenant issue will cause a positive to result on both ends. Okay, now here's an example. Just happened yesterday. A tenant came in on the second floor of a two-family building, very small building, and complained that the first floor tenant uses spices that she doesn't like the smell of. Okay, so the smell comes up from the first floor, and the second floor tenants, they don't like that smell. What could we do in this situation that would be a benefit to both parties? In this case, nothing. Okay, there's nothing we could do that is required or positively reinforcing in any way. So I told the tenant, I said, hey, have you tried to talk to that person on the first floor about their cooking spices? And the reply was, no, we haven't. Okay, so there's your first problem. They haven't even spoke to the other tenant. Why would you want to get involved? So you want to step away. It's a very simple problem, but it could cause a bigger issue if you got involved for no reason. Okay? So stay removed whenever at all possible and stay neutral, and you'll be most successful. Okay? Once again, this is Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters, your property managed.